Have you ever seen a square or triangle that wasn't really there? That's not magic, it's your brain playing tricks on you. In a new study, scientists wanted to find out why illusions happen. Like in the Kanitsa square, where four Pac-Man-like shapes make us see a white square floating in the middle, even though no square exists. Researchers at UC Berkeley and the Allen Institute discovered a special group of brain cells called IC encoder neurons. These cells act like pattern completers. They fill in the missing pieces and tell the brain, yes, you're seeing a square, even when one isn't there. To test this, scientists used a powerful technique called two-photon holographic optogenetics. That means they shot tiny beams of light into the mouse brain to activate these neurons. And guess what? Even when no illusion was shown, the mice's brains still reacted as if they were seeing the invisible shapes. They literally made the brain see things that weren't real. This discovery changes how we think about vision. Our eyes don't just record the world like a camera. Instead, our brain actively builds and interprets reality, filling in gaps and sometimes even inventing things. And that's not just about illusions. It could help us understand hallucinations in mental illnesses, design smarter AI, and even create more realistic virtual reality. In short, our brain is the ultimate illusionist, and now scientists are learning its tricks.